More than 4 million Shopify stores are competing for attention online. But today, shoppers aren't just searching on Google anymore. The AI visibility dashboard inside FoundGPT shows exactly how often your store appears in those AI-generated recommendations. When you first open the AI visibility section inside FoundGPT, you don't need to manually create any custom prompts. Just click Run Check Now. FoundGPT automatically generates shopping prompts using your store data, products, and category information. The scan usually takes around 5 minutes to complete. Once it's ready, you'll start seeing how AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini respond to those prompts. Here you can check whether your store was mentioned or not, your ranking position, and which AI platform mentioned your brand. You can also switch tabs to see which competitors are being recommended instead of your store for the same shopping queries. This gives you a clear picture of your current AI visibility and where you need to improve to get discovered more often by AI shopping assistants. So instead of guessing whether AI can discover your store, you can measure it, improve it, and track growth over time.